Yeah, check this shit. Yeah, yeah, our boys. Yeah,
Hey, run that shit up, Chase.
man, just got me a new cell phone. Wasn't the one I wanted, but I bought it anyway, bro. Let me tell you how this story goes. I was leaving the store. Here come this fucking girl walking up like, damn, baby girl, what you got? Give me your phone number, I'll hit you up. Take you on a date, take you out and you can get some
Hey,
dinner
run that
on
shit
your
up,
plate.
Chase.
What you got a man, girl, you too fine to be tied up with just one man. I think you need to take my number, call me tomorrow and we'll hang out and I'll pick up some motherfucking rubbers. Cause you know when I get with you, baby girl, you gonna feel the thunder. Hit it like the lightning. And baby, when I hit that shit, that's
Hey,
so
run that shit
fucking
up, Chase.
frightening. I'm a white boy making these raps. I don't give a crap what all you motherfucking critics have to say. Motherfucker, I'm gonna get my money one day. Now, yeah, I sit around, sit here and get fucked up like a clown. Let me tell you now, one day I'm gonna make these rap rhymes and I'm gonna
Hey,
fucking
run that
spray
shit
it.
up,
I'm
Chase.
gonna make it one day, I'm gonna make that fucking cheddar. I'm gonna have a mansion, I know fucking better. I'll have two of them, even better. What? Cruising around in my fucking Lambo or my GTR. Bitch, I'll take you in my car. We can go fucking out in the middle of the fucking cornfield. Baby girl, you know you want me to touch that pussy and feel it. And then you can get this fucking dick in the ass. Baby girl, I ain't even gonna
Hey,
fucking
run that shit
ask
up, Chase.
twice. Baby, you so damn fine. I ain't leaving that ass without getting mine. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real, keep it fucking trill. All I know is I will motherfucking kill. If somebody gets on the wrong side of my fucking life, motherfucker, I'll cut you with the fucking kitchen knife. You don't wanna see me when I'm fucking crazy. Gee, I go insane, you see. I'll fucking pull that fucking
Hey,
trigger
run
till
that shit
you
up,
dead,
Chase.
beef. What now? Motherfucker just got popped off with fucking 12 rounds. And I won't hesitate to pull that motherfucking trigger. I don't care, it's my fucking 9mm, it's brand new. Might as well use it on you. See what this motherfucker can really fucking do. Put them fucking slugs in the clip and pull the back, bitch. Click, clack,
Hey,
pow,
run that
now
shit
you
up,
whack.
Chase.
Whack the fuck out. Everybody knows I'm fucking cracked out. In my fucking mind, not the fucking drugs. Motherfucker, I live life so fucking long, I fucking give up. I'm a fucking gangster G. Drinking all these motherfucking keystones, man. Got some fucking mini cans in my fucking house. I don't even know what I'm gonna do
Hey,
with
run
all
that
of
shit
them
up,
now.
Chase.
Yeah. Our boys like a fucking champ up in here. We be like Rocky, not like your fucking bitch ass when you're beating off in your fucking socksy. While your bitch is at my fucking place, you're the motherfucking disgrace. I'm gonna give it to her either way. If she comes fucking calling, I'll fucking come crawling up in her thighs.
Hey,
With
run
this
that shit
tongue
up,
licking
Chase.
all night. She gon' fucking wanna be with a true motherfucking G, not like a motherfucker like you see. I'm a fucking gangster, our boys in this house always making motherfucking noise. What? Still trying this shit, man. Never giving up.